In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Asana 2025, step by step. We'll use the URL method to create a simple one-way sync that shows your Asana tasks on your Google Calendar. This is great for visibility and planning, and it's quick to set up. Start in Asana and open the specific project you want to sync. This connection works at the project level, so pick the one whose tasks you want to see on your calendar. A quick tip before you continue, only tasks with due dates will appear on your calendar. If something isn't showing later, check that it has a due date in Asana. These tasks usually display as all-day events on the due date. Next, look at the top of the project and open the project name drop-down menu. From there, choose Export/Print, then select Sync to Calendar. Asana will generate a special iCal URL for this project. This link is read only, meaning it sends task details out to your calendar, but doesn't allow changes to flow back into Asana. Treat this link like you would any shared calendar link and avoid posting it publicly. Now copy the generated URL. You'll paste this into Google Calendar in a moment. Keeping it on your clipboard makes the next step smooth. Switch over to Google Calendar. In the left sidebar, find the Other Calendar section. Click the plus icon to add a new calendar. You'll see several options for adding calendars. Select from URL. This tells Google that you're adding an external source using a web address. Paste the Asana URL you copied into the field provided, then click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will create a new calendar from that link and place it under Other Calendars, typically named after your Asana project. The tasks will begin to appear on your calendar view. If you don't see them immediately, give it a few minutes. Google may take a short time to fetch and display all events. From this point on, any changes you make in Asana to task names or due dates will update on Google Calendar automatically, though sync timing depends on Google's refresh schedule. Remember, it's a one-way sync. Editing or moving events in Google Calendar won't change the tasks in Asana. If you want to keep your calendar tidy, you can change the color of the new calendar or temporarily hide it by toggling its visibility, all without affecting the underlying tasks. That's all you need to bring your Asana project into Google Calendar with the URL method. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for staying on top of deadlines at a glance.